If you're a teacher who's thinking about tutoring for some extra income, this might be one of the fastest ways to start earning money outside of school. You already have the hardest skill set because you know how to teach. You're probably just wondering how to find the students, how much to charge them, and how to turn your tutoring business into a reliable source of income. Hi, my name is Doina, and I have been a teacher for over 26 years, and over the last 2 decades, I have developed multiple income streams to supplement my teaching salary. And now, I'm showing other teachers how to do the same through the content posted on this YouTube channel. Now, tutoring is one of the best places to start because you can start earning with almost no upfront cost. So let's go ahead and get started. Step 1. Decide who you want to help. One mistake many new tutors make is trying to tutor multiple subjects, math and science and reading and SAT and homework help. Instead, I recommend that you become known for solving one specific problem. For example, you can be known for helping Algebra 1 students pass their class. Or you can say, I prepare students for the SAT math section. Or I help struggling 4th graders become confident readers. Parents don't usually search for a tutor. They search for someone who can solve their child's specific problem. The more specific you are, the easier it is for families to find you. So find your tutoring niche. All right, the second step, decide whether you want to tutor online or in person. And there isn't a right or wrong answer. Online tutoring gives you access to students from everywhere. You save travel time and you can teach from the comfort of your home. However, in-person tutoring may allow you to charge more in some areas and can be appealing to families who prefer face-to-face instruction. Some teachers even do both. Start with whichever option feels most comfortable to you. Step number 3, set your rates. This is where many teachers underestimate themselves, unfortunately. Remember, you aren't just helping with homework, you are bringing years of classroom experience. Your rate depends on several factors: the subject that you teach, your experience, your location, and also whether you're tutoring individually or in small groups. Many experienced teachers charge anywhere from $40 to over $100 per hour. Specialized tutoring such as SAT, ACT, and AP courses or advanced math can often command even higher rates. But don't automatically choose the lowest price. Parents are often looking for results, not for the cheapest tutor. All right, step number 4. Find your first students. This is the question that everyone asks. Where do the students come from? The good news is that you probably already know more potential clients than you realize. Start by telling people that you know, like friends and family, maybe former co-workers, neighbors. Many teachers get their first students simply through the word of mouth. Also, another strategy is to join local Facebook groups where parents ask for recommendations. Another option would be to create a simple profile on tutoring websites like Wiseend or Varsity Tutors. Now, these platforms already have parents searching for tutors, so that's good, but the downside is that they usually take a percentage of your earnings. Still, they can be a great way to get started while you build your own client base, and that should be your ultimate goal, to build your own client base. Step number 5, Keep it simple. You don't need a fancy website in the beginning or a business logo. You don't need expensive software. At the beginning, you really only need a way for parents to contact you, a calendar for bookings, Zoom or Google Meet if you're teaching online, and a reliable way to accept payments. That's it. That's enough. That's all you need in the beginning. Now, you can always improve your systems later. Don't wait until everything is perfect before getting your first student. Step number 6, deliver great results. This is where teachers have a huge advantage over other tutors. Parents don't just want somebody who knows the content, they want somebody who communicates well, encourages their child, and builds confidence. After each session, I recommend that you send parents a brief update. Tell them what you worked on that day, how the student have improved, and what the student should practice before next time. That simple habit helps the parents see the value that you're providing. Step number 7, ask for referrals. Once you've helped the family, don't be afraid to ask if they know anybody else who might benefit from your tutoring. Satisfied parents are often your best marketing strategy, and it's free. One happy family can turn into several students over time. Many successful tutors rarely advertise because most of their businesses come from referrals. Step 8, think bigger. Some teachers are perfectly happy tutoring 5 hours each week for some extra spending money, but other tutors build full-time businesses, and some eventually expand and they hire other tutors. Some create online courses, some write study guides or digital resources. Tutoring can be much more than trading hours for dollars. It can be the first step toward building additional income streams that continue to grow over time. If you've been wondering how to earn more without leaving education completely, tutoring is one of the simplest places to begin. You don't need permission. You do not need thousands of followers on social media. And you don't need to quit your job, your teaching job. You simply need to help several students. If you spent years helping students succeed in the classroom, that's every reason to believe you can do the same outside of school. And you can get paid what your expertise is truly worth. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Income Beyond Teaching. Every week, I'll share some practical ways teachers can create additional income, both during their careers and after retirement. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.